Okay, everyone, we are going to the supermarket.
Yay, supermarket! I want candy!
We'll get some healthy snacks too.
When? Let's go.
Yay, love the supermarket! Me too! Can I get a toy? Pretty please? The duck toy. I promise I'll be good. Mom, can we get a toy?
No toys today, sweetie. We are buying food.
Oh, but I really want one.
I know, but not today. We'll get food.
Oh, food is good too.
What do we need to buy?
Let's see. Milk, eggs, bread for sure.
Don't forget the snacks.
And veggies. They need their greens.
Got it. Perfect list.
Let me check my list. We need milk, bread, eggs, apples, bananas, cheese, chicken, rice, and juice.
That is a lot of things.
Yes, we need food for the whole week.
Can we get cookies?
Cookies? We just had a snack.
Please, Mommy. Okay, one cookie. But after lunch.
Maybe. If you help me in the store.
I will help. I promise.
Good, we are here. Let's find a parking spot. Okay, hold hands. Let's walk to the door.
Okay, shop yet?
That's right, team. Together we go.
I see the doors and the candy aisle. Wow, the door opened by itself.
Yes, it is an automatic door. It sees you and opens.
Wow, really? How?
See that sensor up there? It detects when someone is near.
Oh, cool.
Ready to go in?
That is so cool.
It is, isn't it?
The doors just open by themselves. Wow. You're so excited. Can we go in now?
Okay, first we need a shopping cart.
Can I push the cart?
Of course, buddy. Just be careful.
Wow, it's moving.
You're doing great. Look, there's the cereal. You are still too small, but you can help me push.
Our first stop is the fruit section.
Wow, I love fruit.
Me too. Let's go see what they have.
Yay! Can we get strawberries?
Okay, let me put you in the baby seat. See? Safe and comfy.
I am like a king.
Yes, you are. Okay, let's go.
I want to sit in the cart. Wow, so many colors. Red, yellow, green, orange.
Fruits are healthy. We should eat fruit every day.
What fruit do you like, buddy?
I like bananas and apples.
Great choices. Let's go.
Can we get oranges too? I like apples. Red apples are the best.
Okay, let's get 6 red apples.
I like bananas. Yellow bananas.
Bananas are very good for you. Let's get 4 bananas. These look perfect. 4 just right.
Yay! I love bananas.
All right, let's keep shopping.
Can I put the apples in the cart?
Of course, sweetie. That's very helpful.
Perfect! You're such a big helper.
Yes, but be careful. Do not drop them.
Perfect. What about oranges?
Yes, let's get some.
Great choice. They're full of vitamin C.
Wow, look at all of them.
Let's pick some.
Yes, oranges have vitamin C. Let's get 5 oranges. 1, 3, 5. Now we have our vitamin C for the day.
I will put these in the cart too.
You are a very good helper.
Thanks, Dad.
I'm so proud of you, son.
I like helping you. want to help too, but I am in the cart.
You can help by holding this banana bunch.